man? It's your boy Randy here. I'm finna show y'all how to change a tire on an 18-wheeler without taking it off the truck. Here we go. Get your lubricant. Now let's go to work. Gotta work a little harder, but you get the picture. And that's a good used tire. Slipping on me, y'all. Y'all see how that thing rolling on me? I got it though. I put that thing on like a man. Don't worry about that. The tire on, man. I do this. Oh, my bad, y'all. Let me slow down. There you go. Cause y'all finna talk trash in the comments about that hammer.